New York.
He studied in the New York Film Academy. He studied in John Lennon School in the UK, in Liverpool Institute of Performing Arts. So he did everything: singing, dancing, ballet, the works. You should see him actually do theater. He's really, really good.
Saan niya nakuha? Where did he get this ano?
Siguro when he was a little boy, he saw me doing all the teleseries and na-intriga siya doon. And I guess that's the path he wanted to take, seeing his bigger brother entering the film industry. I never really thought that going behind the camera like him, but he got the whole training, so he decided to do both in front and at the back of the camera.
What do you always tell him?
Well, don't be intimidated by what I've done. Be you. I tell him you're much more talented than me, and let that talent just shine. He's got that talent. He's a character actor. He can really play.
Yun lang gusto niya eh.
Yeah. Mas ako rin, yun ang gusto ko rin.
Na-inspired mo nga daw siya kasi he used to sat along daw sa mga series.
Correct. Sinasama ko siya, pero if you see what he likes to take on like character actors. He likes to do theater. You should see his 30-minute monologues. Magsalita ng 30 minutes, ikaw lang sa eksena.
Who's the better actor?
I say he's the better actor. Hands down, he's the better actor than me.
Best acting trophy ka na, di ba?
Yeah, ako, very if I do something, I have to do it 200%. So, pero my brother, he lives and breathes this. He can do different accents, whether it be Russian, a New York accent. He's just super talented that way. He can dance, he can sing, he can play the piano.
Na-share niya sa'yo itong ginawa niya sa Ginhawa na magtatagalog siya, sabi niya Pinoy na Pinoy, nakwento niya sa'yo.
Well, yun, sinabihan ko siya, hoy, ayusin mo yung pagka-Tagalog mo kasi ako, diretso Tagalog ko. Ikaw, may konting tuwang yung Tagalog mo, kaya dapat malutong, kaya mong yung pagsasalita mo, dapat diretso, diba? So, dahan-dahan nakukuha niya yun. Kasi nga, nag-aaral siya ng sa Amerika at sa UK. So, yun lang naman ang ano ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, yung Tagalog niya kailangan niyang ayusin. And sometimes, I remind him kapag nasarapan ka ng camera, remember that you're not doing theater kasi sometimes baka mag-overacting ka. Because in theater, di ba, everything's much larger. So, yun lang naman ang tips ko, pero you should be giving me tips.
Hindi na raw siya nagpaalam sa'yo nung nag-ano sa showbiz. Sabi niya, kasi alam mo na raw talaga na showbiz na napapasok.
Hindi niya kailangan magpaalam. He can do whatever he wants, and I'll support whatever he wants to do in life, and that's how my parents are too. So, this is his time to shine. I'm really looking forward to watching him. Tinanood ko yung isang pelikula niya.
Living in the Dead of Night.
Galing niya doon. Sabi ko, nakakatakot ko nga doon. Para ka talagang Mexican gangster.
Parang pusher.
Para ka talagang addict.
Magkaiba yung path niyo while you are on the mainstream. Kasi yung ibang door yung pinili niya na entrance door.
At mas gusto rin niya.
Iba.
Yeah, well, I got pushed more to mainstream, but I'd love to do roles like what my brother's doing. Sumali na ako sa Cinemalaya under Director Viera before. Yung tawag dun is the Janitor.
Favorite daw niya yun, napanood niya.
Actually, favorite ko rin since sa mga pelikula na ginawa ko, salbahing pulis ako dun. So, I really enjoy doing those kind of roles. And one day, sabi ko, bigyan mo ako ng role sa mga pelikula mo, sasali ako dyan.
Okay. Pero of course hindi maiwasan dahil kasi yung nakocompare kayong dalawa. Kasama na doon yung looks and everything. Do you think it's fair to your brother na minsan may mga nababash talaga?
Sabi ko it's going to, you can't avoid that. Sabi ko that's just noise. Filter that out. It's not gonna affect how you go in your career. You're never gonna please everyone. Everyone has something to say. So I tell him, don't even acknowledge that. Just be respectful to everybody. If somebody has nothing nice to say, respectfully listen to it. maybe it can make you a better actor, better person, and absorb the positive things people say. You know, so that's just noise. I told them.
At saka may semblance naman kayo dahil pareho kayo may nunal.
Parang your fans are already missing you. Don't you have any plans of doing projects?
Paano ba?
Well, to all my fans, I'm sorry, but you guys can watch me on Instagram with my beautiful family. I'm really enjoying family. Sinabi ko na sa inyo to, di ba? Pag nandiyan na, pag nahanap ko na yung tamang babae at gusto ko nang magkapamilya, ang hirap na umiba yung focus ko kundi sa pamilya ko. So ngayon talaga, I'm really bonding with Elias, with my wife Ellen. When that beautiful script comes, and it gets my juices going, I'm not closing my doors on showbiz. I love my craft, pero kapag meron ako nabasang script na bubuhay ng tingin ko
So hindi naman pala totoo na retired ka na from showbiz?
I'm what you call semi-retired. It's just with the pandemic, I have so many realizations that things can just change overnight. You know, my parents are, my dad's 79, my mom's 75. I started my beautiful family, so priority ko muna.
Gusto ka raw niyang gawa ng pelikula, magkaroon ng collab.
Actually, may dapat gagawin akong pelikula sa Puerto Rico.
Yun yung international film. Paano yun?
But nagpakasal kami ni Ellen, and I was like, I have to prioritize my family.
So wala na yun? Hindi mo na gagawin? With this international actor?
Most likely, I cannot be away from my family for 3 months.
Lalo siguro pag may baby na kayo. May plano na ba?
Yes,
Nakaplano?
next year.
Next year na.
Para dragon. Dragon ako, dragon si Ellen. Dragon yung pamangkin ko. So, puno kami ng dragon sa bahay.
So baka mag-clash kayo.
Hindi, ako, fire dragon, si Ellen, earth.
Earth.
Okay.
And then next year, I think it's water, I'm not sure.
So,
Kayo palang House of the Dragon.
Kaya swerte. Swerte, mga dragon.
mga dragon.
Yeah, so I'm really excited to see my brother perform. Ang maganda sa kanya, pati yung physical look.
Yes.
I think he lost it.
Pinag-aralan niya talaga.
Pero bumagsak siya ng 50 pounds for this role.
Tapos dun sa isang short film, nagpataba siya. Talaga.
So I think 50 pounds. Makikita niyo dito.
Yes.
Nipis niya.
Nakwento nga niya.
Ganun ka rin ba? One comes na mga ganung roles talagang pinag-ahandaan?
Yes, pag nakita mo yung janitor, nagpapayat para magmukha akong addict. Nagpapayat ako doon para magmukha akong addict na police.
Para pag-immersion talaga.
Para na ma-addict tapos macho tapos diba? Parang
Pero ngayon parang magka-age na lang kayo ni Andrew. Tignan mo yung kasing hair mo.
Yes.
Nakakapag-get.
Pumayat ka.
new me, so new hairstyle.
Oo nga. Oo
Bakit
nga.
may new you?
It's just the next chapter of my life.
As a family man.
Yeah. Lahat kayo, isip nyo, hindi ako mag-aasawa, no? I found the right woman for me. And I'm very, very happy. And look at this boy.
Hindi mo nami-miss ang showbiz, ang TV, series, ganyan, movies,
Namimiss ko pelikula.
yung pelikula.
Pero ang teleserye, I think,
Pwede mo ma-let go.
yeah, I think it's time for me to let go of the teleserye. But we don't know kasi with the new way of taping and the new normal of shows, we might be doing shows that are series na, and that would be nice. Kasi
Or
parang-
hosting
parang,
job.
diba? Hosting, yeah, stuff
Yes,
like that.
tama.
My endorsements, I've been with Dunkin' now for over a decade.
Okay.
Tanduay for over a decade. So it's really nice to see that may tiwala pa rin sila sa akin. And again, kapag meron akong makitang pelikula, definitely, ewan ko lang kung kami ni Ellen pwede magpelikula together.
Oo nga. At sa GMA, kasi paglipat doon ni Bea, isa ka sa nabanggit na gusto ko siya kasana makasama ni Bea.
May message nga ako ni Bella, "Uy, kala ko nandito ka." Sabi ko, ano muna ako, family muna ako. So, mahirap eh. Diba, new norm, 2 months away from your family. It's mapapaliw ako. I wouldn't be able to focus on my job, which wouldn't be fair to everybody at work. So, my focus would be, how is my family?
Okay.
Alright, thanks
Thank you,
guys.
ah.
Thank you.